Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Wednesday, December 10th, and this is my PM recap for gold, and we're on the 1 hour time frame. So tonight we had FOMC interest rate news, definitely a pretty big news event. It looks like gold is kind of playing out like we had talked about this morning. Hopefully this is a 1, 2, 3. Gold has been very rangy, and there is a chance this isn't a 1, 2, 3, but it's actually an ABC. So if it does start to reverse very softly, you might want to still get on the short side, but based on my Elliot wave count, I still think there's a possibility this is 5 waves of A, 3 waves of B, 5 waves of C. So it looks like a possible complete pattern. If it is a complete pattern, then this should be in an uptrend up to at least a 78% Fibonacci retracement to finish off like a wave 3, a wave 4, and a wave 5, which could possibly be the final wave of a wave B on the daily time frame. So definitely keep an eye on the 78%. If it does keep on going up, that could be a possible big reversal point within the next week or so if it does make that 3, 4, 5 shape and a breakup structure right there. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.